Hi Theo, happy birthday. I don't really know how this year looked to anyone else, but I know how it felt. There were days na you didn't know how to move forward, or days nga di ka pa naka-explain sa mga kaugalingon, trying to be understood. Or somehow, you were still guided. God was leading you through the year, not by making things easy, but by keeping you steady, by keeping your heart soft when it could have been harder. Di ka perfect, and you'll never be, but that's okay. You made mistakes, you doubted, you questioned things, but you still kept choosing kindness, and kipilit Japan mo to stay. I believe God will lead you again this year. Bisan pag wa ka kabalo asa ka padulong, or feel nimo unsure ka. Di nimo need to have everything figured out. You just have to keep walking. So today, sa imong birthday, I want to remind you that hindi mo kailangan ma-perfect to be loved. You're allowed to rest. You're allowed to trust. Happy birthday, Theo. It's all by His grace.